Welcome to this week's video on the stunning events surrounding Credit Suisse. Last month we saw an emergency takeover announced by the Swiss banking giant UBS, of the long-standing Credit Suisse bank. But what was the challenge Credit Suisse was facing that opened the door to UBS? It all began at the start of the year. Credit Suisse revealed that customers had pulled over 61 billion Swiss francs, that's around 55 billion pounds, worth of assets from the bank in a panic. Such a large withdrawal of funds obviously had a huge effect on the bank's performance in the first quarter of 2023, leading to an adjusted pre-tax loss of 1.3 billion Swiss francs. In comparison, the same period in 2022 saw a profit of 300 million Swiss francs. The shock announcement also highlighted that Credit Suisse's flagship wealth management division, which handles funds for the banking's high-value clients, had seen withdrawals of 9% from its funds in the first quarter of 2023 alone. In the same period in 2022, funds under the division's management was 707 billion Swiss francs, but this had dropped down to 502.5 billion Swiss francs by the end of March 2023. The significant drop in assets and deposits had a huge effect on its income and fees, making it impossible for Credit Suisse to escape a substantial loss before taxes in the following quarter and throughout the year. This meant that its staff were in danger of job cuts as UBS considered how to shape the business after their takeover. The situation takes an even darker turn when we examine the chain of events that led to customers pulling their assets. It began with the surprise collapse of the California-headquartered tech and venture capital lender Silicon Valley Bank, a situation that caused customers of Credit Suisse to withdraw their funds in huge numbers. The scale of the panic then forced Swiss authorities to provide emergency loans before orchestrating a rival takeover by Switzerland's largest bank, UBS. Credit Suisse had already borrowed 168 billion Swiss francs from the Swiss National Bank as part of the emergency loan by the end of March, with the bank having since repaid 70 billion Swiss francs of this. So that's the story of Credit Suisse's collapse and the implications this will have for its customers and staff. UBS are likely to complete their takeover in the upcoming months, but we'll have to wait and see how the two banking giants join forces. We'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching and join us next week for more news and opinion on the latest banking developments.